In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link table to calendar in Notion. Start in Notion and go to a new page. This gives you a clean workspace, so you can connect your information without distractions. On the page, click into the main content area where you normally add blocks. You are going to select the section that contains your table or the database you want to connect. If you already have a table on this page, make sure you click directly on the database area, not just plain text above or below it. This helps Notion recognize exactly what you are trying to link. Next, continue clicking in the highlighted areas along the top of the database until you open the options connected to that database. You are looking for the control that opens the database actions and sharing options. Once that menu is available, choose Manage in Calendar. This is the handoff point where Notion Calendar can take your database items and display them on a calendar view. After you click Manage in Calendar, you will be taken into Notion Calendar settings. Click the highlighted option near the top to confirm you are managing the correct Notion connection. Once you are in the calendar interface, move to the month view and click on a day on the calendar, like the 6th, to create a test event. A new event will appear with the title set to Untitled. Click on Untitled and type a clear name for your event, so it is easy to recognize later. Then click back out so the calendar saves the change. Now click Database in the calendar interface. This is where you link the event to the Notion database you started from. Click on the database name field that still shows as Untitled, and select the correct database from the list. If you have multiple similar databases, take a moment to choose the one that matches your table on the Notion page. Click on the event title area again, and confirm everything looks right. Finally, click on a date, like the 21st, and then click the highlighted area at the top to make sure the event is placed correctly and the database connection is active. And that is all there is to it.